Hello and welcome to another episode of Eagle TV. My name is Kudzai, and today we have Dr. David Hussong providing us with a COVID-19 update based on some vaccine-related news. If you're watching us on YouTube, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we post new updates. You can also follow us on social media under Eagle Analytical. Here's Dr. David Hussong with today's update.
Earlier this week on Wednesday, a group of 9 vaccine development companies put an ad in major newspapers. It was a full-page ad and a promise to the American people that they were going to prepare a vaccine that was safe and have it available. Wouldn't be available until they feel it's safe, and the government agreed. This was a very sincere effort on their part to provide some confidence in the work that they're doing. The importance of having a vaccine is showing up more and more, because the effects of this infection are pretty severe. Recent publications, although they're saying that children are less likely to show clinical symptoms, children may also have some secondary effects. Young people has been shown by publication in MedPage today. Studies from the Penn State University on football players, for example, were showing that they were having heart troubles. Heart trouble is not unusual in athletes that engage in very strenuous exercise, but those that had gone through an instance of COVID-19 had a much greater rate of showing myocarditis that was affecting the valves of the heart. These cases of myocarditis may not be terribly severe immediately, but in later years, 10, 20 years down the line, it may show up in a greater rate of heart attack. The importance in this is to understand there are secondary effects that will occur when COVID-19 infections occur. These can be less noticeable in the young people, and certainly, as has been shown in CDC publications lately, that when a patient is over 55, the likelihood of death increases dramatically, and a secondary or tertiary clinical condition is in place, such as high blood pressure, diabetes, and prior heart failure. The likelihood grows dramatically. This goes back to an older episode where we were discussing that people were trying to gain herd immunity by simply going out into public and getting affected. At that time, I mentioned that the secondary effects of this infection can be very severe. This highlights the importance of a vaccine. So the 9 vaccine developers making this pledge to America was a very significant statement and should be taken very seriously. For now, the most important thing is to protect yourself. Certain basic hygiene steps will do it. Reasonable amount of keeping distance, minimizing contact, washing your hands, and wearing a mask are the basic things until we can get that vaccine. The vaccine will be shown to be safe, and that's very important. Safety of the vaccine is what gives confidence in its utility. Every vaccine comes with some risk, but the risks associated with a COVID infection are much greater and much more severe.
Thank you, David. To learn more about Eagle and to stay connected to the latest in science-based solutions, visit our website at www.eagleanalytical.com.